PowerMill, PowerShape, and PowerInspect are now part of the Fusion 360 family of solutions. Now, you can easily transition from design to simulation to manufacturing with our next-generation cloud platform, while getting better value with access to more technology. The portfolio has been simplified to 4 new offerings. In most cases, this upgraded level of technology comes with a lower or no increase in the subscription price. PowerMill will be updated to Fusion 360 with PowerMill Standard and Fusion 360 with PowerMill Ultimate. Each of these updated offerings will include additional technology and capabilities. PowerShape will be updated to Fusion 360 with PowerShape, which also includes additional technology and capabilities. And finally, PowerInspect will be updated to Fusion 360 with PowerInspect, which includes additional technology and capabilities. With this change, Autodesk is taking another step to bring design and manufacturing closer together. Our intent is to unlock next-generation workflows, empowering users to work in new, more efficient ways to gain competitive advantage.